Okay, so stand upright and then see it come out of his hand. Now read it. There you go, good. Southeast Fresno is a special place. It's got a lot of heritage, a lot of history, and this has always been a part of it since it opened up.
Now batting for the Dodgers, number 7, Jeremiah.
This is the heart and soul of a community. The competition is for the soul of a community.
This park gives our community a chance to come together and build relationships. And it's through those relationships that really strengthen our community. Sunnyside Lone Star Little League has been around since 1960. We actually own our field. It was given to us by the Bakman family, and we have been in charge of it to only play Little League baseball since 1960.
Now, my father gave the field, but one thing he didn't donate. Everybody thinks he donated the field. He sold it to the Little League for $1. By selling it for $1, he could condition it. So for $1, with a condition, this will always be here.
Baseball!
This has always been like a staple. Like the neighborhood around it has kind of changed. There's been new buildings that have come and gone, but it's always been something that this area could kind of, hold on to and just kind of identify with. Good at bat. Well, I grew up not too far from here, went to school right over here. So when I was a kid, all my Little League was here from T-ball all the way up till I aged out. And when they started, I started back coaching. Kind of had two chapters, a chapter where I played and then now the chapter where I coach. Hey, good at bat right here, Nayeli. Way to see it, way to see it.
It's a special connection with me and my dad. Like, we'll be playing catch and he's like, oh, I remember when I used to do this. And I feel like a really special connection.
This is really one of the jewels of the area in that it's been such an important part of families being together.
Down to my...
You're up. Good job, buddy. Way to hit a triple. What we do as a league is not only do we build players for baseball and softball, but we also build good citizens of our community. Believe in yourself. If you believe you can hit it, you will hit it, all right?
When Valley Children agrees to partnership, that means something. I mean, that's a big deal.
Physical activity is really critical to the healthy development of children. It improves a child's ability to concentrate and their alertness, which improves their academics. Working with community partners to help provide more equitable access to outdoor spaces, safe spaces, and spaces where kids can be kids is really part of our mission.
Make sure we catch it over here and then we come down, okay? As coaches, we're always putting in our time, we're volunteering, we're pouring all of our energy into these kids, and having somebody like Valley Children's come in and say, hey, we support you guys, we see what you're doing, we recognize what you're doing.
Community is everything, and especially when you have one organization that can support another one. So we're just super grateful. The field itself has definitely gotten better. Now we have the snack bar, the PA system, everything from the dugout to the bleachers to the actual field of play. It's just elevated throughout the years.
I like the wooden benches too, and I like the new dugout.
A lot of our kids, just because they have a special need doesn't mean that they don't like sports, just like all the rest. Including my son, I could speak from his experience. He loves baseball.
Being a part of something like the Challenger League that allows kids who otherwise would not have those opportunities to participate in activities that are a fundamental part of childhood is just amazing to be able to do.
Valley Children's is a part of our community. He was there for the first 6 weeks of his life. He was in the ICU. It's more than just being a patient. It speaks by their actions in supporting the community and making sure that they're not just another number in the system, they're a face.
This is the heart and soul of a community. Those kids out there, they're part of providing the heart and soul back to a community.
It's super special. you know, to look out and think like, when I was a kid, what I would think when I was here, and my brothers, and then being here as a coach and watching them be excited and be in the dugout and be ready to go up and get a hit and run down the first base path just like I did, or getting waved home, coming to score and having that smile on their face. Baseball is just kind of the excuse for us all to get together, you know, but it kind of goes beyond that in terms of what we want to build here and send out to the community.